2011 সালের পর নিয়োগ দুর্নীতির সব থেকে বড় দুর্নীতি প্রাথমিক শিক্ষক নিয়োগে।
The petitioner stated a candidate named Prolay Sarkar was not empaneled. Another candidate named Dhiraj Bandyopadhyay having roll number was not empaneled. Vishwajit Burman having roll number was not empaneled. But they were called by the department for verification of documents, and from sources the petitioners came to know that they were working as primary teachers. This is fundamentally attack on the entire selection process. Though there was huge illegality in the whole selection procedure of it should be not 2014 selection process 16, and everything happened as per the wish of the board. And for this illegality, the candidates like the petitioners could not get appointment as primary teachers. Petitioner states that 2014 is the biggest scam of the education department, so and so. MLA, MP, leaders of ruling party are involved, and meritorious students who qualified for the job did not get chance. And after talking to the candidates, petitioner came to know that roughly such and such amount was given for job in 2014. Payment is made, and absolute fraud was committed by the West Bengal board by not publishing merit list in respect of it should be without selection qualified candidates.
আদালতে অযোগ্যদের তথ্য দিয়ে 40,000 শিক্ষকদের ভাগ্য ঝুলিয়ে দিলেন বর্ষীয়ান আইনজীবী বিকাশ রঞ্জন ভট্টাচার্য। বিস্তারিত দেখুন। প্রাথমিক নিয়োগ দুর্নীতি মামলায় নয়া মোড়। অযোগ্যদের তালিকা পেশ করলেন মামলাকারীরা। সিবিআই চার্জশিট পেশ করে তালিকা পেশ। র্যাংজাম মেধায় আপোষ করে চাকরির তালিকা তৈরি করা হয়েছিল। বিচারপতি তপব্রত চক্রবর্তীর ডিভিশন বেঞ্চে জমা পড়ল চার্জশিট ও তালিকা। চার্জশিট অযোগ্যদের তালিকা পেশ হতেই চাকরিহারাদের তীব্র আপত্তি। চাকরিহারাদের আপত্তি কেন শুনবে আদালত, জানালো বিচারপতি তপব্রত চক্রবর্তীর ডিভিশন বেঞ্চ। 29 অক্টোবর দুপুর 2টায় ফের মামলার শুনানি। এসএসসির পর এবার প্রাথমিক নিয়োগ মামলাতে উঠল যোগ্য অযোগ্য প্রসঙ্গ। কারা বিশেষ সুবিধা পেয়েছেন, কারা পাননি তা নিয়ে প্রশ্ন তুলেছিল হাইকোর্ট। গত অগস্টে আদালত এই প্রশ্ন ওঠার পরেই 40,000 প্রাথমিক শিক্ষকদের একাংশের আইনজীবী দাবি করেছিলেন কোনো বিশেষ সুবিধা পাননি। প্রাথমিকের নিয়োগপত্র দিয়েছে, তাহলে ডিপিএসসি নয় সিলেকশন কমিটি? এদিন প্রশ্ন তোলেন ডিভিশন বেঞ্চ। নিয়োগের সময় ডিপিএসসির কোনো অস্তিত্ব ছিল কিনা তা নিয়ে প্রশ্ন রয়েছে। ডিপিএসসিতে চেয়ারম্যান নিযুক্ত করে রাজ্য। জেলাভিত্তিক ডিপিএসসির বৈধতা নিয়েও প্রশ্ন রয়েছে। 4 বছরের ডিপিএসসির মেয়াদ শেষ নয়। পূর্ব মেদিনীপুর সংক্রান্ত একটি মামলায় সম্প্রতি একক বেঞ্চ এই বিষয়ে প্রশ্ন তুলেছে। এখন কোনো কার্যকরী ডিপিএসসি নেই, পাল্টা সওয়াল বিকাশ রঞ্জন ভট্টাচার্যের। কেন্দ্রীয়ভাবে ডিপিএসসিগুলির ক্ষমতা প্রাথমিক বোর্ড নিজের হাতে নিয়ে নিলে নিয়োগপত্র তার মানে ডিপিএসসি দেয়নি, নিয়োগপত্র দিয়েছে বোর্ড নিযুক্ত সিলেকশন কমিটি। মন্তব্য বিচারপতি তপব্রত চক্রবর্তীর ডিভিশন বেঞ্চের। শুধুমাত্র টাকার আদান প্রদানই দুর্নীতি নয়, বোর্ড সিলেকশন কমিটি গঠন করবে যারা বোর্ডের অন্তর্গতভাবে প্যানেল তৈরির দায়িত্বে থাকবে। সিলেকশন কমিটি এখন ভ্যানিশ। বোর্ড তার হলফনামায় জানিয়েছে একটা জেলাভিত্তিক নিয়োগ। জেলা কাউন্সিল এর দায়িত্ব পালন করেছে। পাবলিক এমপ্লয়মেন্ট হলে বোর্ডকে আরও দায়িত্বশীল হতে হয়। বোর্ড নিজস্ব রুলসই অনুসরণ করেননি। একজনও ম্যারিট জাম্পিং থাকলে তার সামনে আসা প্রয়োজন। দুর্নীতির কারণেই সিবিআই তদন্ত হয়েছে। সওয়াল মূল মামলাকারীর আইনজীবী বিকাশ রঞ্জন ভট্টাচার্যের।
Malid kindly takes up the paper book filed by the West Bengal Primary Education Board. But I am really challenging the action of the board. Therefore, the pleadings of board would be important, no other pleadings. Kindly come 14th of September 2016, the result of TET 2014 was published, but no merit list and scorecard was given to anyone. On 26th of September 2016, notification was published for appointment of primary teachers from TET 2014 to fill up 42,949 vacancies. In that notification, it was clearly stated that the candidates with minimum qualification as specified by MHRD will get preference, and after that, eligible candidates with relaxed qualification may be considered. It is needless to mention, is important, that MHRD gave relaxation only till March 2016. And in spite of that, the board notified that the candidates who do not have training will be considered too. Notification proves that the board decided to give benefit of relaxation to TET 24 qualified candidates. Well, I shall place this notification later. Then paragraph 10 is important. Petitioner stated that after notification, the procedure was started for appointment, and from October to December, the interview and verification process started, and on 31st of January 2017, allegedly, the result was declared, but there was no panel. There was no merit list. There was no category-wise merit list. No division of numbers and or rank was given to anyone. In the website of the board, there was a dedicated space where a person could see whether he or she was empaneled or not. No merit list was ever published. And in spite of repeated requests, the full merit list was not made to the public. Allegedly, it was stated on 30th January 2017, list of trained candidates were published. On 4th February 2017, list of non-trained candidates other than the Bengali medium was published. And on 8th of February 2017, list of non-trained candidates and candidates from Bengali medium were published. From the dates and list, it is clear that all trained candidates of 2014 were appointed to the first list, and after completion of the same as per notification dated so-and-so, the board appointed non-trained candidates. Thousands of non-trained students were appointed, and petitioners, though similarly placed, were ignored. If it is the stand of the board that no non-trained candidates can be appointed, then all appointments of non-trained candidates made after March 2016 are bad in law. State that recently TET 2014 scam busted in West Bengal, and from several cases lodged by CBI and from several orders passed by this honorable court, the petitioners came to know that several illegal appointments have been given by depriving the petitioners. Non-trained candidates are the worst sufferer of this scam. On 23rd December 2020, the West Bengal Primary Education published one notification for recruitment of 16,500 primary teachers. And in that publication, they have stated that the candidate should possess qualification as per guidelines of NCTE. Such notification is illegal. I am just skipping over. Then, Mr. Y was empaneled. A person named Mr. Y having roll number such and such was empaneled by the board. It also proves that huge corruption took place. As per the action of the board and as per the different statements given by the president of the board, Mr. So-and-so, all trained candidates were recruited, and as per the notification of the board, the petitioner should get a fair chance of recruitment, but the board has done a complete injustice to them.
Then what was the allegation of the petitioner? 2014 was corrupted. Which is your allegation?
State 2014 corrupted, and even the selection process was.
Paragraph does not say so.
Yes.
Paragraph says that it is state 2014 corrupted.
And then followed by, if I may, followed by they say, yes, once again, Milord, I will direct the authorities to file a report disclosing name, numbers, rank, category of all non-trained candidates who have been recruited till date in primary schools from date 2014, including the date of recruitment. Direct the authorities to treat the petitioners equally with non-trained candidates who have been recruited by the board after expiry of the relaxation period.
That we understand.
Then kindly come to Milord. Direct the authorities to publish a merit list by maintaining full transparency regarding TET 2014 recruitment.
Your challenge was that either give those persons or the similar benefit like the untrained, non-trained candidates were given.
My prayer is to recruit the petitioners following the appointment notification dated 26 September 26, very important. The petitioner stated a candidate named Primay was not empaneled. Another candidate named Dhiraj Bandyopadhyay having roll number was not empaneled. Vishwajit Burman having roll number was not empaneled. But they were called by the department for verification of documents, and from sources the petitioners came to know that they were working as primary teachers. This is fundamentally attack on the entire selection process. Though there was huge illegality in the whole selection procedure of, it should be TET, not 2014 selection process 16, and everything happened as per the wish of the board. And for this illegality, the candidates like the petitioners could not get appointment as primary teachers. Made a statement before the media pointing irregularities in TET panel. Recently, a person lodged a complaint against one MLA of All India so-and-so. That MLA took crores of money from job aspirants with a promise to give them government job in school, and in that case, personal assistant of one another MLA was arrested. Petitioner says that TET 2014 is the biggest scam of the education department, so and so. MLA, MP, leaders of ruling party are involved, and meritorious students who qualified for the job did not get chance. And after talking to the candidates, petitioner came to know that roughly such and such amount was given for job in TET 2014. Payment is made, and absolute fraud was committed by the West Bengal board by not publishing merit list in respect of should be blood selection qualified candidates. Should be blood selection qualified candidates.